Have you ever been texting someone and all of a sudden they go silent? You try calling them, but it goes straight to voicemail? Did they block you? Today I'm going to show you the definitive way to know if you've been blocked by a friend, ex, or a family member. Plus a sneaky trick to get your call to go through even if you are blocked. First, let's open up your Messages app. And I've asked my friend to block me so I can walk you through this. You'll notice that when I send her a message, it says delivered underneath. This is a recent change on iPhones. A message can say delivered whether or not you're blocked. So if your message says delivered, it's not a clear sign that you've been blocked. However, if you send a message and it never shows delivered, this is a definite sign that you've been blocked. A more reliable method is to use the phone app. Try calling the person. You'll notice that when I call, the call doesn't even ring. It goes straight to her voicemail. This is a strong indication that you've been blocked. The same thing happens with FaceTime. If you try a FaceTime call and it doesn't ring on their end, that's another sign you're blocked. The secret trick to calling someone who's blocked you. So what if you want to get a hold of them? There's a secret trick that will allow your call to ring through. It's called spoofing your phone number. You'll use a special code to hide your number from the person you're calling. This will get your call to go through and ring on their end. To do this, open your phone's keypad. Before you enter their phone number, dial *67. Next, type in their phone number and call it. When I do this, you can hear that the phone is now ringing on their end. Now, keep in mind that even though your call is ringing, they may not answer if they didn't recognize the number. But this will at least get the call to go through and give you a fighting chance. Ever wonder how to keep your iPhone secure? Check out this video on how to use a VPN.